I gathered here 3 most unique brass lighters. They're super cool. So revisiting some of my lighter collections. This one is nice. To refill it, I would open this up here and it will take lighter fluid. With this kind of lighters, it does have a vibration issue because it's not super sealed, but it lasts few days and it burns so super good. There's a drum in here and somehow the drum gets spun up when we pull it out. So cool. Goes in here, clicks in tight, and one more time, boom. Every time works so well, and I probably could just put it away to blow it out. It is satisfying. To remove the flint, remove that. There'll be spring. New flint goes in here. I really like that one a lot. Then I have this one, kind of super unique too. Press it, it lights it and opens, and it's like doesn't lift up much from there. There's a little spring on the inside and a drum, and same thing right here. We have the flint replacement, and that's how we refill it. It lifts up, very small compartment for the lighter fluid, but again, this lighter will have some of the vibration issue because it's not perfectly sealed, but just like Zippo lighters, gotta constantly refill them. That's why I usually buy one of these big tubs of Zippos. I know, I just don't even take those lighters out with me anyways. It's more like unique designs. It's like, to me, it's like piece of art. I don't know, such a cool mechanism. And looks like the best thing to do, press it and slowly open it, and it stands up if I have to. So very unique. And then another one, this one is cool. I haven't refilled it yet. So it sparks. It does not have a drum. It has like a grinder right here and goes sideways like that. So periodically I'm going to show you my full collection throughout next few days. Boom. Gonna revisit some of the awesome gadgets. I don't even know if I filmed them all. I just get some stuff for myself, and sometimes I film it, sometimes I don't. So boom, refill it like this. Usually it's a good idea to just let it sit for a little bit and kind of get it refilled. Also, how do we remove the flint? So cool. On this one is kind of a little bit more confusing. How do we remove the flint? Is probably somewhere in here, hidden gem. Such a cool design. Wow, it spins up a long time. Let's see carefully. Okay, what? There's a spring. Wow. I think the flint will go over here somewhere. Oh, let's close it and look at the other side. I really enjoy trying to figure that out, how this cool mechanism lighters actually work. Let's see if I can close it back up super quickly now. It is high precision mechanism right here. It lights really good. Maybe I need to fill it up a bit more. Yeah, cannot figure it out how to remove change the flint, that's for sure. So looks like it's a good idea to refill it a bit more. That one is the most intriguing lighter. The more complicated the lighter is, the better to me, because I'm looking for the overly complicated lighters. There it is. Boom, and I can hold it this way, and when I want to put it out, just close it. How cool is that? Lift it up and hold it. This is definitely the weirdest lighter of them all in my collection. There's obviously flint somewhere sitting, and I cannot figure it out how to replace it. Is it going to be under here, or is it going to be on the other side? That'd be cool to figure it out later. I think this holding the flint in here, and I'll just have to lift it up. Let's see, to remove it and put a new flint either. No, this is so cool. Anyways, this is by far the coolest lighter. I don't even know how to replace the flint, so all I have to do is just light it and boom, we have a nice lighter. So what do you guys think? Which one is your favorite in out of all of these ones? Let's see if it can sit. Nope, this one cannot stand. I'll have to hold it. And this one can light up and stand it up, and a little bit of a lighter fluid stays on the wick. Boom. And this one light up, needs a new lighter fluid already, and this one can stand up as well. Such a unique designs. Let's make a thumbnail. Boom. There you go. 3 weirdest lighters ever.